Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Badoo dating application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Badoo dating application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to use your credentials. After using your credentials, you will be taken into the home page from which you can scroll through various different profiles and scroll left or right through them. Now, if you wish to log out from your account, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner first, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Then you can tap on your account icon and you will find the sign out button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked whether you want to allow fingerprint or facial recognition. If you choose to enable this, your login information will still be saved within the app. So tap on the sign out button and now you will successfully be signed out from your account on the Badoo dating app. And that is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.